Hello everyone, good evening. Now it's 10:30 p.m. in my country. How was your day today? I was working in another barber shop. That's the first day I work at that place. I have 11 clients today. That is so amazing. That's a lot of with me. And the weather today in my country was sunny. And you? How was your day today? Are you go to work or stay on your home? And how the weather in your country today? Tell me in the comment. I'm a little happy because I have a job in my hometown. I love my hometown so much. That's made me feel a different so that's it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.